Tuesday. For Friday, mostly. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Pulaski County and Central Arkansas until 7 a.m. At 3:54 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen over the warned area within the past hour, since 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area within the next hour. Flash flooding is likely ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include North Little Rock, Sherwood, Jacksonville, McAlmont, Provo Junction, Galloway, Rose City. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.